Hello friends, I'm your host Saurabh from Technutor. Today I'm going to give you first impression of Samsung Jet 3. This device has launched today in India. So friends, now I'm going to tell you about its feature. The screen size of this smartphone is 5 inches and it runs on the 1.3 GHz quad-core Spectrum processor. RAM in this smartphone is 1 GB and 8 GB internal memory, and you can expand it up to 128 GB via micro SD card. Okay, and it is a dual SIM smartphone. The back camera is 8 megapixel with LED flash and the front camera is 5 megapixel. Okay, this phone supports 3G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 4.1 GPS, and the battery of this smartphone is 2600 mAh. And one more thing I want to tell you, that the Samsung Jet 3 comes in gold, black and silver colors, and its price is rupees 8,490 in India. It will be available across offline channels and exclusive from Snapdeal online starting from October 21st. It comes with 1 GB of free data for 2 months for Vodafone customer. So friends, now I'm going to tell you about its design. So friends, on the top you can see here it is 3.5 mm audio jack here. On the bottom you can find here charging port here. On the left hand side you can find here volume rocker key, and the right hand side you can find power button. Okay friends, and the back hand side I already told you, back camera with a flash, and here you can see the Samsung logo here, and it is the mentioned duos. Okay friends, now and this is the screen you can check here. So first I'm going to check, I want to go to show you. Yeah, this is the first look of Samsung Jet 3. Yeah, this is the very first look, and these are the some preloaded apps in this smartphone. So friends, I'm going to inside the setting area, and inside the setting area I'm going to show you some things like on the top you can see here Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, flight mode, hotspot and headphone, sound and notification, display, app, styler, special, days, lock screen, account, language and input, battery, storage and RAM, date and time, and about device. Now we will check what mentioned in the about device area. Inside the about device you can find on the top software update, manage certificates, legal information, name you can see here. You can see here Samsung Jet 3. Yeah, and the model number is SN Jet 300H, and the Tizen version is Tizen 2.4.0.0. Okay, these are the some things inside about phone area. Now I'm going to back and we'll check what in the storage and RAM. Inside the storage you can see here that 4.9 GB RAM is free, and what for the RAM, inside the RAM you can see here 399.7 MB RAM free here, and the storage is 4.9 GB storage is free, so it's a pretty good. Okay, now we will check what are the some preloaded apps like WhatsApp, Facebook, Messenger, Mix Audio, WeChat, Cricut, Truecaller, WhatsApp, Weather, Here Maps, Ola Cab, Daily Hunt, ClickBuzz and McAfee Security. Okay, one thing I want to tell you that the Here Maps, by using the Here Maps you can use it in the offline mode. Like you have to first download all of the data in Here Maps and then you use it in the offline mode. Okay friends, so this is one of the good app inside this phone. So now I'm going to show you its camera. Inside the camera there are some modes like Auto Pro, Panorama, Beauty Face, Dim Shot, HDR, Night and Continuous Shot. Okay friends, and now I'm going to show you some images. You can see here this, I have clicked this image from the front camera and you can see the clarity of it. Okay, and what else? Yeah, this is the back camera. I have clicked it, you can see here. So I like its camera, and now I'm going to show you its notification. So you can find this notification inside on the top. What you have to do, you have to just drag from top to bottom. Inside here you can see here Wi-Fi, mobile data, sound, torch, Bluetooth, view power saving, view data saving, auto rotate, location, flight mode and these things. So you can find all of these things inside the notification area. Okay friends, now this is my first impression of Samsung Jet 3. I will come very soon with the full review of this device. For that time, stay tuned with the Technutor. Like this video, share this video and subscribe my channel. It's Technutor. Sayonara, take care, thank you.